Hey guys, this is Z and I'll start with Apple's own leather 12 Pro Max case, which in many circumstances is considered controversial for few reasons. By the way, towards the end of this video, I'll tell you which case I lean most this time around. First off, the Apple leather case is not a cheap one. Coming in at $60, this case is not an easy recommendation, and prices have only gone up since the introduction of MagSafe, which, for those who are not aware, are these special circular magnetic inserts that keep the phone attached to various magnetic accessories, or vice versa. Second, since my iPhone 12 mini favorite cases video, I've had people commenting that Apple cases don't last long, fall apart, and don't patina. And that's not the case, pun intended. I've been purchasing Apple OEM leather cases ever since they were officially announced a few years ago, and every single one of them was a product that I have thoroughly enjoyed because of the perfect fit, the fact that it's not bulky, and how it ages. Also, all the previous Apple cases have survived numerous drops and all sorts of abuse. The cases for all 12 series are a bit different this time around because of the new squared off shape and the MagSafe, of course. With that being said, the 12 Pro Max leather case have the perfect fit, although it is not as snug as the cases of the past. At the same time, the case itself doesn't snap into place like the video commercial, as if you're nesting the phone inside the case. It is more like a traditional case phone insertion like every other case, just not as snug feeling as the round corner versions of the past. There is minimal bulk and fairly good protection, and like all other Apple cases, you can expect very tactile buttons and for the first time all-around protection with leather on the bottom as well, and not the usual cutout of the past. The downside of the case compared to my next choice is the oil and dirt residue that accumulates over the time. This is normal with any case, of course, but compared to other leather products, the Apple case this time can easily look dirty unless it is cleaned every once in a while. And I'm talking about the black version. Going back to the price concern, when it comes to quality leather products, this case is priced adequately to the competition from companies like Mujo, Nomad, and Bellroy. While mentioning Nomad, the second favorite case of mine is Nomad's rugged case in black, which was recently refreshed to accommodate MagSafe. If the Apple case is a wooden fence when it comes to protection, Nomad's rugged case is a brick wall. This product provides 10-foot drop protection while only being slightly bulkier and heavier. The polycarbonate body and raised TPE bumper gives me peace of mind at all times, especially when the phone ends up in the hands of my 1-year-old. The package is wrapped in supple Horween leather that develops a gorgeous patina over time, and if a lanyard is something that you're interested in, there are dual attachment points on the bottom. As with all Nomad products, you can expect nothing but high quality in fitment, grip, buttons, and even unboxing, although buttons are not as tactile as the Apple case for protective reasons. I stopped using Nomad for a while they were developing the MagSafe upgrades, but now that I can attach my wallet and snap the phone in my car, this case is definitely something to recommend. The price of the Nomad case matches the price of the Apple's leather case, but unlike the Apple case, I would take it not only outdoors and casual, but in most cases when I have to dress up as well because it looks classy and timeless. By the way, wireless charging with all the cases that I mentioned in this video is not a problem. And also, by the way, if you end up enjoying this video, subscribe because why not? The third case in this list is made by Pitaka, which is made out of aramid fiber. Aramid fiber is similar to carbon fiber, but not as brittle, making it more durable and flexible. This case offers the least protection, but also the least bulk, making the entire phone experience almost caseless. Pitaka products have been providing magnetic attachment solutions long before MagSafe was introduced. So even if you don't have a MagSafe compatible phone, you can still expect awesome magnetic attachment accessories with their built-in MagEZ system, like their car mount for example. Rocking this case, I can either use the MagEZ system or MagSafe and carry my favorite Moft snap-on wallet and stand, and even the Apple's wallet. The texture on the surface of the case makes this giant phone easy to hold, and both the screen lip and the camera bump reduces any scratch concerns no matter if I leave my phone facing up or down. The buttons on the phone could not be more tactile and clicky given the fact that all of them are completely exposed, and so is the bottom of the device where the speakers and lightning ports are. After months of using this case, this thing has not deformed in any way, and it is just as pleasant to use. And for those asking, my phone's stainless steel frame is still as good looking as the day I bought it. The obvious downside of this case is of course protection, but this $50 case is the closest to naked phone experience as you can get, while also providing minor scratch protection and a better grip combo. So at the moment, I'm using all three cases depending on the occasion, but if I were to pick only one, that would be the Nomad case, and honestly, the reason for that would be the ultimate protection, fitment, and the fact that it ages amazing over time. The Apple case doesn't seem to fit as snug as previous cases, really weird to explain when not in person, and unlike the Nomad case, it feels a bit more slippery and not as nice to hold. With the Nomad case in the side bumper, the grip is firm and the entire phone feels immortal. Since Nomad integrated MagSafe, I can easily throw in my favorite magnetic accessories and use this case for pretty much any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, you might find my iPhone 12 playlist useful. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to list them below or ping me on Twitter. And as always, it's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.